Hello loves, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Today is the second part to my collective haul, which was the first half was Elizabeth Craft Design. Next one is going to be the Trinity stamp and the Scrapbooking Made Simple Monday event so that they have. Let's go ahead and look at Trinity stamps. So on Trinity Stamp they had, I believe, a retiring sale. This was. So I went ahead and snagged up some of the circus stamps that they had. So this one is with the lion. It does come with sentiments. And I was able to find the coordinating die, which was also on sale. So I had those. I figured these would be good with the Case Crafts and KLUP Carnival dies. These will come in handy with that. So I got those ones. And I didn't know the Trinity stamp had those. The next die set I had was the die on a bike. I thought he was super cool. And it does have the sentiments, and it does have some animals in there, and it does have the coordinating die also. So I got that one. And then the last one that I got from there is the acrobats, and it also comes with the coordinating die. That. How cute is this? So I got that. And I don't know if there was one more, but these are the ones I picked. And I did get a free item because of the price. And it's a big toe. I think this is so funny. So I got the big toe on there. You know, once you hit the age over 2, your feet to me are not cute to me. Before that, if you're under 2 years old, I'm good with feet. But yeah, I saw this. I thought this was cute. So I'm glad I was able to get that for free. Alright, so the next thing I have here is a deal, 19.99, and this is a Sizzix Make It Monday bundle, and this was the February spring bundle that they had on there. So let's go ahead and look at this. And on Mondays, Scrapbooking Made Simple usually has Make It Monday, which is usually deals at $19.99. It could be at $24.99. It's when they're really a good deal. Okay, so I was able to get this one, and this one did come with some paper, a Sizzix paper of assorted colors. Look at all that. So I got that. This one also comes with the Sizzix Texture Impression 3D Embossing folder. And this is like foliage. I got that one for spring, because I don't really do spring paper crafting, so I'm hoping to start doing that. And then you get this Sizzix Thinlits, and they're mason jars, like spring. Look at that. How cute is that? So you get the flowers and stuff to make that. So I got that one. I got another Thinlits. Oh, I got this one, and this was I believe it was a bookmark one. Yeah, so you can make a bookmark pocket. You can make anything with that. Look at that. I saw this will come in handy. So I love this. And you get 17 dies. Love, love, love. Yeah, so you can make a little tab with the pocket. You can make another one with 2 pockets. And you can just do a plain bookmark. That's actually awesome. And then the last thing I have here is the stencil set. That I don't show. But you get 4 different stencils, and you could do a background. So yeah, so this concludes the second part to my collective haul. I like finding a lot of deals, so leave a comment below and let me know if you have any of these. Like I said, Trinity stamp, I didn't know they had this one, so I'm happy I was able to find that sale. So that's why I always recommend that you subscribe to your favorite shop so that when they do have sales and bargains, you know when to go check them out. But yeah, leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite. Subscribe if you haven't. And hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.